Hey friends, in this video I will give you 5 tips that will instantly improve your presentations at school, university or work. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the tips and tricks that will improve your life as a student. I know many students, and I was one of them, that used to struggle with presentations at school. But after many learnings and lots of practice by giving more and more presentations, I really started enjoying them. So I put my learnings into 5 tips that will improve your presentation. Tip number 1, be prepared. Really make sure that you know everything that is needed to get all of your content to your audience. Also ask yourself some open questions and prepare answers to them, so you're not struggling with the questions from the audience after your presentation. You should also prepare everything that is connected to your form of presentation, like checking that all the tech is working if you choose to use a PowerPoint presentation. Because just the feeling of being well prepared will let you calm down a lot. And I have a separate video about preparing for presentations. Link in the video description. Tip number 2, make good notes. Making good notes is essential, and your notes should never be structured in a complete text. They should always be a bullet list or numbered list with just some keywords. Because just keywords will let you think a lot better about what you really say, and it will let you keep eye contact to your audience a lot better. Good and well structured notes will be your guide throughout the whole presentation and will let you be a lot more confident in front of class. Tip number 3, use the right method. Using the right presentation method is very important, because the right presentation method will let your listeners follow along your presentation and also filtering out the key statements. So the right method of presenting will help your audience a lot, and by that it will automatically increase the value of your presentation. Tip number 4, do it in a group. If it's possible for your presentation task, I would totally recommend you doing it in a group with friends. Especially with not much presentation experience, standing in front of class with some good friends will make it a lot less stressful. In addition to that, you can split up the content you have to present in front of class, so you do not have to speak that much. So for the start of giving presentations, I think this will help you a lot with getting more comfortable. Tip number 5, practice. This might sound pretty obvious, but it's just like that. You have to practice, practice, practice. Because every presentation and the feedback you will get will improve your presentations as well as your personal feelings about them. And this is especially important as you will do lots of presentations in most of today's jobs. I hope those 5 tips will help you improving your presentations. And if you like this video, you might also check out my video about preparing presentations in detail. Thank you for watching and see you in future videos.